it's Jazzy and welcome back to a brand new video. So for this video, I thought it would be super duper fun and quirky and cool and relatable if I tried out some new recipes from Pinterest. But first, welcome to our brand new kitchen. Here's our fridge. It's a blast. Everything stayed okay in the freezer except this ice cream, but I mean, it's been expired. So I don't know why we still have it. Here's our easy bake oven. Here's our coffee maker. And what we're gonna be using today? The microwave. We're gonna be trying all the cool, trendy Pinterest microwavable recipes and see if they actually work. So let's hope I don't get salmonella. So first, we're gonna make the Rice Krispie treats. We need to grease the mug, so grab a napkin and rub it in that oily scalp of yours. And then get some butter, and then I think you just like rub it on this, right? Okay. And then you grease it. As you can see, I've done tons of baking before. And then we're gonna set it off to the side. So first we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of mini marshmallows. And then you add a ½ tablespoon of butter or 1½ teaspoons of butter, right? And then we're gonna bring it over to the microwave and put it in for 30 seconds. And then, ooh, it's all puffy. Okay, then we have to just stir it. Wowee. That looks okay. Okay, and then we're gonna put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So let's skirt. Okay, just kidding, we put it in for 15 seconds. Haha, pranked ya. So then once it's all melted, you're gonna get 1 cup of Rice Krispies, and ours is red, white, and blue because I love America. You're gonna just put it in and stir. Oh no, you wanna fold it, which is different than stirring. You're like folding. And then to finish it, we're gonna plop it into the mug. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty dang good. Next, we're gonna do the boneless pizza. I'm so sorry. You also need salt. Okay, first we're gonna put in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Wow, what an echo! An 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so filling up our ½ teaspoon, a quarter way to make 1/8. I can math. So now we're putting in 1/16 teaspoon of baking soda, so half of what I just did. Baking soda! I got baking soda! 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I got this, I already did this. Salty. All these dry ingredients, they need some moisture. Okay, then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of milk. Cool. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Wow. And then it says to mix. And the instructions say there may be some lump, but that is okay, So I flattened the dough a little bit in the mug, and then we're just gonna spoon on the marinara sauce. Okay, then we're gonna get our mozzarella. And then last but not least, we're gonna add our mini pepperoni. Look how adorable. I am dying. And then we're gonna go bring it over to the microwave. My hands are so greasy. Okay, and then we put it in for the microwave for about a minute to a minute 15. Whatever works. Maintaining my distance. It smells hecking good. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. So hot. It's good, but it's no DiGiorno pizza, you know? The dough, low-key, has like a mashed potato consistency, and I don't know how I feel about that, but like for pizza in a mug, not that bad. I'll give it like a 6.5 to 7 out of 10. Next, we're gonna make the rainbow cupcake, and I'm gonna make it in this little mug, and it's a peanuts mug, and I got it from a thrift store. It's really cute. Okay, so first I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. Then I'm gonna add a half stick of butter. Then you're just gonna whisk it together. Then you add 1 egg. Then you whisk it together again. Then we're gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna whisk again. Rest in peace. I am so sorry for that sound. Now we're gonna add all of our dry ingredients. So we're gonna put in half a cup of all-purpose flour. Then we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and then 1/8 of baking soda. So just half of what we just did. We just need a pinch of salt. Boom. And then we whisk once more. So this is what it looks like now, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and split it into 4, and then we're gonna divide it as much as possible into 4 separate bowls. Okay, now we're gonna take our food coloring and add like a drop to each one, and it's gonna be so pretty. So now to make the rainbow cake happen, we're gonna stack all of the different colors into the mug without mixing them together, because then it'll be brown, and that's not rainbow. Okay, and you're basically doing that until it fills up to the top. Okay, so this is kind of what it should look like, I'm assuming. Let's just pray for the best. I hope this turns out pretty cool. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in for 45 seconds. So let's frickin' do this. Oh my gosh, look how lumpy it is. Okay, I hope this is good, because if it's not, I would be so upset. Okay, let's taste this bad boy. It's good. It's like a muffin pretty much, but it's a good muffin. It's good. Oh, good. I'm gonna go finish this over there, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe down below because I make weekly videos. What a time! Also, please be sure to share with your friends. As you can see, our house did get affected by the recent storms in Texas, but I'm so thankful that my family is doing okay, and I'm very thankful for everyone who came to help clean up the first floor and help renovate it. Also, my heart goes out to anyone else who got affected during these storms, and I hope you guys are doing okay. I'll see you guys next time, and bye!